I look like the gayest, most glam, most patriotic, most everything in the entire world, most edgy looking patriotic superhero ever, and I'm living for it. Like, this is super cute. But anyway, yeah, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Word of Zach here, and I'm back for another video or whatever. I'm glad that stuck, because I was really worried that wasn't gonna look cute. But yeah, so here we are with a colorful wig or whatever. Obviously you can see by the title of the video that this is gonna be another hair video, since it seemed like you guys pretty much liked the last one I did, because I'm pretty sure that one got over 1K views and whatnot. So I just want to come back with another one from the same company. So that company reached out to me again to work with them, and I got this wig from them, and this is pretty much the same one. The other video that I did was on the yellow unit. I'll post a picture somewhere like over here or whatever, or probably over here or something. I'm really feeling like Malibu Dollface right now, because like he like stands up and stuff like that when he does this video. He be looking like this, whatever, with a crop top on and stuff, whatever, like, hey Malibu. No, for real, I really do love Malibu Dollface, and he friends with my boo-boo, he Flawless Kenneth or whatever. So yeah, but anywho, so I just want to come bring you guys this video, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell or whatever so you get notified whenever I post. Check out my other posts about makeup and everything like that. I did a lipstick swatch video and such, and just a whole bunch of things that I think you guys would like you would enjoy or whatever. So all the products that I'm wearing today on my face will be like put on my Instagram down below. Not down below, but my Instagram will be down below, but on my Instagram, just go into the picture, whatever, just a little tab or whatever, then look in the comment section down below, the little caption, whatever, it'll tell you all the details of what I got on, girl, like on my face and stuff like that, real cute, real be like, you know, because we gotta be slayed. We're gonna be a gay, patriotic, you know, edgy, emo, gothic, you know, or type of like superhero, then you gotta be real cute, you gotta be slayed, you know what I'm saying? Hello. I was saying, I don't know what is going on with me. I think I'm just really, really hungry right now at this point. But I got this unit from Sapphire Wigs. Like, I got the yellow unit from before, and this is like the super, super long one. I feel like this is like 26 inches. As you can see, this is how long it is. Sis, I'm 6'2", so she's a long one. She real long. She real long, girl. And like, this is a lace front wig, and you know, has like the I think it's 2 or 3 combs like throughout the wig, which I never use the combs anyway. And I just laid this down with my Got2b spray and Got2b like the gel, whatever, mostly the spray. And just did that. I didn't like try to finesse it too hard and do baby hairs and stuff. I just kind of do it on my head because girl, it's late at night. I'm hungry. I'm ready to go to bed. I gotta eat. Hello. But I think the unit is pretty great. It came like, this is pretty much it out the box. I just kind of brushed through it, and I do like to keep a brush with it since it is a super long synthetic hair. And longer synthetic hair does tangle up a lot. Like, she do tangle up some, but it's not too crazy. Like, I don't get like too crazy tangles, and it doesn't like matter. It hasn't matted up like crazy. I've had this for a few days now or whatever, and I can tell based off the yellow, like this has the similar qualities of the yellow. One thing I can say I noticed is that with the yellow, there was a little bit less shine to it, but I think it was because it was like yellow hair, so it was kind of already shiny. But with this one, you can see the shine. It looks more like a cosplay wig, but not necessarily like as bad as like a Party City wig. This is still really cute. If you want to get that red look and see how you look with red hair, this is a great way to achieve it, because it's super red from the root to the tip. No, to the foot. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with me. But yeah, so I think this is pretty cute. And it sells for like only, I think, $39.90 on Amazon Prime. I'm of course have the link down below. And I think the people who work at the company are super sweet, super sweet. I haven't got a discount code for you guys, but I know if you contact them on Instagram, their Instagram, I always tag them on Instagram as well. They're super sweet. Repost me on their page. They actually repost people. So if you get this wig, you slay in it, you look real cute, whatever, as you should, because you know, hello, that's what we're here for. I'm here to like make sure that you slaying and whatnot. Hello, gang, hello. Then you might get reposted on Instagram. I think they got like 40K or something like that. So girl, go ahead and get you some extra followers, get reposted, and look cute or whatever. Look cute or whatever. Look cute or whatever. I don't know what's up with that, but yeah. So if you guys don't already know, then I'm gonna go ahead and tell you now, spill the beans real quick. I do love like this side part. This is like my good side over here. So I like to have my hair like parted and flipped over. I don't like to do the whole part thing because it has like only a little bit of like actual lace as far as like for party space. And so I think it actually honestly looks more natural, because I see girls everyday life, they just flip their hair over to the side and do like a look like this whenever they want their hair over. So I think this looks just fine or whatever. And like you can add headbands to it, hats and whatnot. It's really long. It has like a little slight wave to it, so it won't look too crazy if it does, like, you know, you run around with, you gotta chase your man around the street and stuff like that. You know, like Lil Red Riding Ho is in the building. Yes, come on, Lil Red Riding Ho. She real cute. Okay, hello. Ooh, I know y'all saw that, right? This is so cute. I know y'all saw that, right? Real cute. She cute or whatever. So yeah, like I said, this is pretty much my favorite hairstyle, but I'm gonna try to like in this video maybe show you guys like 2 other ways you can style your hair with this. If you want it to look natural, want it to look cute and whatnot, just show you a few ways that you can make it look real cute or whatever. And I also want to say really quick once again that please don't be afraid to try out colorful wigs. I know a few people have also tagged me on Instagram, which I love so much. I love when you guys tag me in photos and stuff like that. Like I'm just like regular like y'all. Y'all be like thinking I'm just some cute bitch or whatever. I'm just real regular. I be throwing on wigs. I'm just a man in a colorful ass wig, but you know, whatever. I'm for real. I'm really just a man in a colorful ass wig. So thank you for watching. But yeah, I just want you guys to know that you can feel beautiful and strut and slay and everything like that. Oh, Shayla strut and slay. But you can like feel beautiful and be confident and be bold in these beautiful like bold color wigs. And who cares what anybody else has to say? Like as long as you feel like you popping and you slaying or whatever, that's all that really matters. Like I said in the last video, which will be linked down below in the description box, so make sure you go watch that one too, sis. But yeah, I think that this red is beautiful. It's very bright, vibrant. It's like a very, very true red. You can do a lot of makeup looks with this. This is perfect for the 4th of July if you want to be bold and stand out. It looks super, super cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you some different styles. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoy it, and I actually hope I'll come up with something cute.
Used to you, blow, we X, and we sipping on that juicy juice. That's just what she choose to do. Oh, man, this shit, these drugs look good to you.
Okay guys, so I decided to be hella basic with the last look and just throw on some bunny ears or whatever, but it's actually really cute and kind of sexy if you want to go for that whole vibe. Like I think this is like a whole moment, a whole vibe, a whole look or whatever, with like a leather jacket and such, and you just like real cute, or you just want to get like really sexy for your man or whatever, then this is a very, very nice gesture. It's very cute. I know this pretty much like was a crazy ass video and pretty much like all over the place, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me. If you did and you do, then please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I don't know if I said that before, probably not. If I didn't, then I don't know what's wrong with me. And I hope you already subscribed to my channel. You hit the notification bell button, which is right over here or right over here. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and share it with all your people, whatever, who like red hair and everything like that. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next upload. Bye guys.